Hi, my name is Lauren Williams, and I'm just going to be giving you the overview for the Credential program. So the first thing we talked about was the growth mindset versus the fixed mindset. And so for the growth mindset, we talked about how it's being able to embrace challenges and also accept criticism. So if you make a mistake in something, it's not then you ending forever the activity or the task that you were trying to complete. You instead take the criticism and you rework whatever you're working on to essentially get the outcome you would like, or to make sure that you grow into it, aka the growth mindset. Whereas the fixed mindset, you don't if something that isn't effortless, you view it as something you just aren't good at, and there's no way for you to improve or work your way up to being able to do the task at hand. And so we talked about how, as educators, and everyone should incorporate a growth mindset, as it allows you to be able to grow as a person, because you are willing to go outside of your comfort zone. And moving on, we then also talked about what we learned about for the credential experience. And so the credential experience, since it is the 3-semester, it is a flexible schedule. And so for this first semester, we are able to work and we are able to have, I guess, semi-lives, we'll still have school in the evenings, but we'll still be able to work at least for this first semester. And then the second semester we will be student teaching, and so that will be less of us being able to have our own jobs. We were recommended to not be working because it would be really difficult to do, because we'll be student teaching in the day and then at night we'll have classes. And yeah, that was for our semester coursework. And then it came to the policies for student teaching. And so when it came to the policies, it was about, basically attendances and absences. We have to attend our courses. Obviously, we have to go when we are able to the sites for where we need to be student teaching. Our grades have to be above a 3.0. And we also talked about how leave of absences are okay. If you need that time to step away, and if something comes up, you're able to take that leave of absence and come back to the program. And in this, we also did talk about our student teaching in our second and third semesters and what that entails, with all of our team leader and the guide, mentor, teacher, and just basically who will be involved in this process for us. But we also talked about our student teacher guidelines, so that we'll be professional. We're going to be doing instructional planning, classroom. We're going to learn about the classroom management, and we're also going to get involved with the school community. And I think this mostly ties in with what we're talking about for one of our courses, where for this first semester, we will be doing the fieldwork for 5 hours a week. And I just ran over about time, but yes, that's our overview. And we also need to buy SIVME so we can record videos. Alright, thanks. Bye.